This is fire alarm test 21. This one I'll start off with this call point. Yeah. It does work. Alarms work fine. Yeah, it works fine. Yeah, it works fine. Yeah. I'm just going to spray this again with this smoke detector. Yeah, it works fine. Sorry, I'm just gonna. I blew out the detector, and and also, what I can do, I'm just gonna test this call point here as well. Yeah, it's German dintone and no root. Yeah, I like it on that one. Yeah, it works fine, doesn't it? Well, what should I say? And I also set off this one as well. Yeah, German dintone. Yeah, I like it. I'm taking it nice and easy. Yeah. I like it on that. I like it on this one. German dintone. I like it on this one, yeah. I will reset the call point. Put the key in there. Yeah, reset. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. Bye.